To me, what pride means is being genuine with who I am as a person and knowing that I'm able to make an impact just in the world.
Pride means showing up every day and showing up as your genuine self. Being proud of who you are, understanding that there are so many people that are just like you, and so many people that are not like you in any way, and we're all in this together.
I think for me, it's living my authentic life as myself. And I think it means having a sense of purpose and drive and being able to share my own knowledge and experiences in my life.
Pride to me is showing the world resilience, that we are still here, that we recognize that everyone has a voice and that we can hear the voices together rising up.
What pride means to me is feeling loved and accepted by all of those around us, but more importantly, loving and accepting ourselves for who we are.
My journey with pride has definitely been a tumultuous one. It was a very difficult process for me to come out. I find now that, I readily tell people, that I identify as an out gay man versus the person that I was 5-10 years ago. That would have never been something that I would have freely elicited.
Everyone's coming out story is very different. Everyone is in a different place. Some people have not come out yet. Some people, may be in the process of coming out or have recently come out and are struggling. Even though we have come so far, it's still not easy for a lot of people to be their authentic selves. There's so much love and support within the community, and there are tons of allies around us.
So when I'm asked about what was coming out like for me, or what was my coming out story, I think we have to reimagine that narrative and that question. I feel like I have always been coming out, and still today I'm always coming out every day. Yes, there was that one point in time when I told my family, and I'm super blessed. I have an extremely supportive family, and I know not everyone has that.
It's incredibly important to have safe spaces or inclusive environments for patients. Especially in the LGBT community, patients are often stigmatized or marginalized and not able to access the care that they need to survive.
I will never forget that when I first came here actually for my job interview, the pride flag was flying on the flagpole underneath the American flag. And I've worked in numerous health systems, and this was the first one that I came across that I, saw this bright, rainbow flag sort of proudly flying in front of the hospital. And so for me, just to walk into that interview, I knew that this was a safe space.
It's very reassuring to know that there are allies around us every day. And when I come to work, I know I'm supported because Cooperman Barnabas provides a safe space, not only for their patients, but for their employees.
Being open and trans, I feel comfortable showing up to work every day because I personally know that other people out there find it very difficult to even show up to work or to even be who they are. And I know that here I feel very comfortable and accepted.
As the Director of Diversity and Inclusion, I think Pride Month is so important, but I want to make sure that our staff, our patients, our visitors know that we are an LGBTQ plus inclusive organization every day of every year.
Cooperman Barnabas is able to create a safe space, and you'll see it right as you walk into the building with the pride flag flying on the flagpole and now a rainbow crosswalk as you enter into the building, knowing that all are welcome here and able to receive excellent, safe, inclusive care. We've been able to bring cutting-edge, state-of-the-art gender-affirming surgical care to New Jersey. In fact, it extends way beyond New Jersey. In fact, patients come here from all sorts of areas of the country to be able to access this type of care.
We are a leader in LGBTQ Healthcare Equality. Accredited by the Human Rights Campaign, this accreditation is not just talk, but a value we live by. 2023's Pride theme is Strength and Solidarity. As CEO of Cooperman Barnabas Medical Center, I'm proud to stand in solidarity with the LGBTQ community every day. Pride Month is a time where we all should be empowered to promote respect, equality, and the very simple notion that love is love, plain and simple.